The 2014 Aston Martin Vanquish is a flagship grand tourer that succeeded the DBS as Aston's top-of-the-line model. It's often praised for its blend of performance, luxurious craftsmanship, and classic yet modern design. Powered by a 6.0-liter naturally aspirated V12 engine that produces 565 horsepower, this power is sent to the rear wheels through a 6-speed automatic transmission. The car can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 4 seconds. A body made of carbon fiber, which contributes to a lightweight and stiff chassis. Its styling takes inspiration from the limited production 1-77 hypercar, giving it a powerful and elegant appearance. The cabin is a hallmark of Aston Martin's commitment to luxury, featuring hand-stitched leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber accents. While the technology, such as the navigation system, might feel a bit dated compared to modern cars, the overall feel and quality of the interior are exceptional. Designed as a grand tourer, offering a balance of exhilarating performance and comfortable, refined cruising. Its ride quality is well suited for long road trips, and the V12 engine produces a magnificent sound. As a hand-built, low-volume car, the 2014 Vanquish stands out for its exclusivity and bespoke feel. It's not a pure track-focused supercar but rather a stylish and powerful GT that prioritizes the overall driving experience and sensory enjoyment.